Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Chrysler 300 key fob. This simple do-it-yourself method allows you to add new key fobs to your vehicle without a trip to the dealership. You will need two existing, already programmed key fobs to start, along with your new, unprogrammed key. The entire process takes only a few minutes, saving you both time and money. Let's begin by preparing your vehicle for programming. First, take one of your already working key fobs and insert it into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Hold it there for a minimum of 3 seconds, but no longer than 15 seconds. Then, turn the ignition back to the OFF position and promptly remove that first key. Now, quickly grab your second working key fob. Within 10 seconds of removing the first key, insert this second key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Keep it there for about 10 seconds. You will hear an audible chime and see the vehicle's security light flash, confirming you have successfully entered the customer learn programming mode. Then, turn the ignition OFF and remove the second key. With the vehicle now in programming mode, you have about 60 seconds to add your new key fob. Insert the unprogrammed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. After approximately 10 seconds, you will hear another chime, and the security light will illuminate for 3 seconds, indicating successful programming. Finally, turn the ignition to OFF and remove the new key. Test all your key fobs to ensure they work perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.